quite heavy, and it has a sticker heavy, so if you have someone to help you to put it together, definitely make sure to do so again, team effort is much more fun. And yes guys, so I'm just going to basically unbox. I believe it might be the outer box, and yes, it looks like there is another separate box inside, so I would just have to take it out. All right, so this is exactly how. Oh no, it's actually, you can see all the parts and pieces, they are in separate boxes, which is quite good. Okay, so yes, the best part when you do an unboxing is actually to first kind of familiarize yourself with what you're getting, right? So just by unboxing, you already see what's inside. So it looks like we would have to do quite a lot of screwing, but again, everything is super self-explanatory. There is actually 9 different steps, as you might have noticed, so 9 different steps. And yes, again, it's sometimes when you first look at it, it might seem overwhelming, but when you actually get to it, it's not that complicated. So it is important for you to not give up, to concentrate on one task at a time. That's the best secret that I can give you. All right, guys, so and again, absolutely love the finish on this bar card, and I hope that all of you will be able to appreciate it as well. How cool is that? All right, almost there. Almost there. See, probably when I angled it, I had more control over it. So again, guys, experiment and kind of find the more comfortable way of performing all of these things. Okay. All right. All right. One is done, and yes guys, now the last wheel. And yes, did you notice it actually comes with a wheel stopper, which is super useful on all of them 4 wheels, guys, which is great. Is actually done like this, right? So yes, like this, like this, guys. 1 second. So just going to push it this way, and now we are again going to connect all the dots. All right. Okay, so this is how it's done. So again, just screw by screw, not all the way, but again, probably the first one going to be the hardest in this case. Okay, almost all the way, but not. Let's see if I did it right. Okay, it looks like everything is nicely aligning. All right. Okay. I guess I'm going to start with 4 screws all over the perimeter, and then we are going to continue. All right. Here we go. Here is the final bar cart, and again, I decided not to install them wide compartments, right? Because basically I do not have as many bottles, so I need it. But again, it can be here with you as well. How cool is that? And yes guys, I hope that all of you enjoyed it, and now you know how to put your bar cart together. Absolutely love it, and I hope that all of you will be able to appreciate it as well.